Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be playing Arsenal once again on Roblox, and yeah, that's pretty much it. We are here joined today with Psycho Mitch. You can look up her channel on YouTube and go ahead and subscribe to her too, and also subscribe to my channel, like the video, and turn on the post notifications, and let's get straight into the video. Okay, yes, let's go.
Oh my gosh, my mouse is, it's so laggy. I see you.
I wasn't even ready!
What do you mean you weren't ready?
We're just getting warmed up, guys. She's going full try hard.
I cannot. Oh my goodness, why is my game so laggy?
Mine is too. Recording makes it laggy.
Yeah. It's
not good.
You gotta suffer.
Where are you?
Die.
My game's so laggy, they can literally all see how laggy it is. Worse than yours.
My game...
I couldn't even turn around to see you.
I can't either. Like, my thing freezes up.
What the heck?
Even.
Well, then this is not going to be a good show. It's so laggy! What the heck? It just showed me kill you and then...
No.
Yeah, kind of.
Not gonna.
Okay, we're looking. I'll make sure to keep track of the time so it doesn't end early like every other time. That was only once. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my gosh!
My mouse is frozen.
Yeah, mine was too!
It's frozen!
My gun was invisible. Why is it so laggy when you're on recording? Wait, are you recording too?
Yes, it's laggy for me too because I'm recording. Are you kidding me? There's two like snipers in a room.
This is literally embarrassing.
Well, all of your Arsenal videos are embarrassing for you.
I don't even know where you are.
No!
Yes! Let's go. Okay. Yes. I don't like any of my guns.
It's literal garbage.
I like the AR, and that's pretty much
I hate
it.
all of these guns. What is the AR?
Well, hi, Psycho Mitch's viewers, but hi. You should go check out my videos. They're pretty awesome.
Guess what? I'm cutting that out.
Really?
Yep.
What?
Because I don't want you promoting your channel or mine.
Okay. Where are you? Oh, I think I saw you. I just got lucky. That was just luck.
I just needed one more shot. Really?
Where are you? I have a dumb sniper, the one that you had. Oh my god. Shoot. I was trying to no-scope you at the end.
Don't.
Yeah, but like when you're close, you can't scope somebody.
Oh, I see you, gosh.
I have a sniper, don't be scared of me. I just missed. I keep missing. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh,
okay.
Gosh, puppy. Great.
Once again, guys, don't mind me. I like to rage.
It didn't even help me. I'm so smart.
Oh, sorry guys, but I did not get the editing thing yet. I'm hoping to get it soon, but yeah.
No, just let me through. Yeah.
I'm literally so bad at this game.
Yeah.
I need some training.
Dude, I've given you so much training.
Put me in the HELL week.
And it doesn't work.
Oh yeah! I got the nose. Well, I have the stupid sniper again.
I spent my time and effort
Where are ya?
And you're saying it didn't even help you? No, you don't.
Yes, sir! Okay, guys, we are kind of done with the snipers. We still have a scope, but I just fell.
You failed.
Let me scope you. Ah! Okay, guys, it's not an even match.
It's you. No, don't you dare. You missed every shot.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, but I didn't have that many because this thing takes like a year to reload.
Yep.
What gun do you have?
You MP9S. You don't know what that is.
Yeah, I know. I'm not good with labels.
Oh my gosh, I really just missed every single shot. I was just holding it down because I didn't feel like actually trying to.
You can't hold it down with a sniper. But I don't hold it down that much either because you tell me not to spam shoot.
Yeah, that's good.
My game literally just lagged. I couldn't even shoot you. How come now it's going to lag? Every other time it doesn't lag when I record. And then it lagged right when I did it.
Hey,
Oh my gosh.
Great.
Okay, well,
Ryan,
maybe I'll get more views based on you.
I'm gonna get you. Dude.
What are ya? What are ya?
I saw you.
I'm lagging right now, and my screen's literally frozen. Oh my gosh.
Yep, you were frozen for me too.
Oh
well,
my
free
gosh.
kill, you know?
It's not even fair.
No, I think it's...
Well, sorry to all y'all watching who are way better than me.
How did I just miss that?
It's lagging.
Why
Lagging.
do I go and pick up...
This is so embarrassing. I've never done so bad.
Actually, you have. Why is my voice so raspy? Guys, don't vape. Vaping is bad. Guys, it's another sniper.
That literally had nothing to do with anything.
What? Oh my gosh, my dog is barking.
But true that.
Well, people might think that I vape because my voice is raspy. I don't know.
Gosh, let me kill you.
Dude, where'd you go?
No! Yes, let's go! I'm done with this stupid gun.
I'm always 10 ahead of you.
Where are you?
Wait, hang on, don't kill me.
Wasn't necessary.
Go let my dog in, I think.
Okay.
I think he's going to be let in.
Hey,
Don't kill me.
I'll put this on pause real quick while she lets her dog something. I don't...
Yeah.
Okay, we are back. Where are you? Where are you?
I'm so proud of you. Oh my goodness, my heart is racing because I
saw you.
Chris.
I see you.
What?
Yes!
13.
It was lagging so bad and I still got you.
You have the hush puppy though. Oh, I'm so impressed.
Yeah, I'm good at the hush puppy. Who named it the hush puppy?
It's an actual gun name.
Why are you shooting me? You know what? I'm just gonna heal up.
Stop healing.
Yeah, I'm going to heal. Okay, we're just going to go ahead and
Where
hide.
did you just go?
I'm hiding. I gotta heal up. Oh yeah, I know.
Good hiding spot.
I wasn't hiding anymore. I hid for like a second. Yeah.
I see you, and I'm missing every shot.
You're missing. I'm a goat.
I'm literally missing every shot.
Let me. Oh yeah. No. At least we got 80. Definitely, I'm going to win. I think I'm gonna win.
Yeah, for sure. Make sure to watch the time.
Okay, I see you there. It's reloading. I hate this hush puppy. It's not my favorite gun.
Don't we all?
I don't think I want to call it hush puppy.
I don't even know why it's called. Oh,
Gotti. Okay, now we don't have a dumb gun. We have something that's going to
how did
spam
you
shoot
put
you.
the hush puppy?
Because I just barely saw your head peeking out. I was spamming.
Oh my god, I hate
Why
this.
can't I hit a shot? Oh, I guess I did.
46 health.
Why
Why'd
can't
you
I
just
hit a
pick
shot?
up health, dude?
Where are you, dude?
Just call me dude.
Okay, girl.
Good job. Actually, no, I am a man.
I'm trying. I can't see you. I was on the scope and I was trying to hit you.
Don't be on the scope because the thing has the crosshair.
This failure for me is definitely going to get me some views. Like, me doing bad is going to make people want to watch. If that makes sense.
Yeah, just watching people fail.
Maybe that's the strategy for every single Arsenal video. We almost got you.
Give me that health, bro. Yeah.
Like those things are like a waste of time.
No, they help you for your next bet. I saw the scope.
Yeah, I know, I'm so bad. Like, I keep the scope thing on you for like years, and then I click to shoot you,
Health.
and I don't know how you don't react.
I'm a little
I don't really check my health, I just go for the shots.
Dude, where did you go? I just saw you.
I'm running around town. Okay. We have about 5 minutes left. You better get me. What are ya? Oh my gosh, I've been literally roaming this sand town place for so long. Yes! Was your game lagging?
No.
Mine's literally been lagging the whole time,
You're
but...
literally, like, just glitching everywhere.
What the heck? I'm glitching. You're glitching everywhere.
What? Okay.
Wait, what the heck? I just saw you through a wall.
You totally just shot me behind a wall. Oh my gosh.
Yes. Okay, I don't think you're gonna be able to beat me in
catch
time.
up or anything.
Wait, what happens once my thing ends after the 15 minutes? But, like, your thing doesn't have, like, a certain amount of
Then
time.
you can tell them to come watch my video to see who wins.
Oh, yeah. So, for all y'all who don't know, since I haven't got the editing thing yet, my screen recording time is max at 15 minutes, so you can watch the full ending of this video on Psycho Mitch's channel. So yeah, go check it out. I said that in the beginning, but I'll put the link in the description. Not very good at doing that, but I'll be helped.
No!
This is my favorite gun. What do you got to say about that?
Where'd you just go? Oh god.
Gosh, I'm reloading! Let me reload. Come out, wherever you are.
Oh, you know, I'm just healing. Oh my gosh, I shot
The
your
heck?
foot.
Okay, we are at 12 minutes. Where are ya? I think I'm gonna go for the no-scope with the heavy
Oh gosh, I'm
sniper.
stuck. Oh my god, I'm stuck.
Oh, that would have been a perfect scope opportunity. I just tried. Oh my gosh, when I went in the scope, I was literally aimed at your eye. Okay.
That's cool.
Oh my gosh. Ooh! Oh my gosh, when I went in scope, you lagged from up to down. Like you were 1 point up and then all of a sudden, it looked like you teleported. Okay.
I didn't. My screen, I didn't teleport. Oh, I see you.
I wonder. Oh yes. I'm literally the god at sniping people while they're moving.
You're not the god.
Fine, I'm a goat.
Yeah.
I'm literally still holding in all the rages for your
Why?
channel and my
People
channel.
like seeing that. Oh
Yeah,
my
but
gosh, I'm
it's
so
kind of
addicted
weird.
to
Like
my
my
face.
raging is like literally screaming to the top of my lungs, and I sound like a girl. No offense.
Sound like a girl.
Yeah, like I'm like.
There we go. Got the cold. And there's my dog's barking.
Okay, we got 2 minutes. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Everybody, make sure to check out our channel. I'm literally going around. I feel like I just saw you. Okay. Definitely the Arsenal videos are way more exciting than the Bloxburg ones because, like,
There we go.
I'm pretty hyped up. Well, you don't have to check out our channel because it's over, but thank you guys for watching the Arsenal video. It's probably going to end up being a part 2 against Psycho Mitch. But yeah, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next video. Comment down below what you want to see next, and subscribe.